Hey, hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to trace months of the year with some colors, okay? So let's get started. At first we will learn some colors name. It's a red color, brown color, sea green color, it's a blue color, pink color, dark green color, light green color, violet color and yellow color. Let's begin. First is January. 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 Violet color. Number 2 is February. 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 Pink color. Number 3 March. 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 Sea green color. Number 4 April. April. Brown color. 5 May. May. Light green color. Number 6 is June. June. Red color. 7 July. July. Yellow color. Number 8 is August. August. Blue color. Next is number 9 September. September. Violet color. Number 10 October. October. Pink color. Next is 11 November. November. Sea green color. And 1 to 12 is December. December.